Hello, my name is Aniket, and in this video I am going to share a simple Python project. As we all know, Python is open source platform, so I'm going to create a simple project using Flask in Python. Let me tell you that Flask is a simple web application framework which helps in designing quick and easy web apps. Okay, so let's get started. Let's first see how this code works. I run it. Okay. Here is our first page, which demands for any URL. You can just simply type in any URL here, just submit it, and here your QR code is ready. You can download it also as a image form. Okay, I'll just cancel it, and the link for this project is available in the description of this video. You can visit this repository and you can see that this is the project. The links is our database. This is our main Python file. uh, Templates includes the HTML files, and the static includes our PNG files, that is our QR code images. And let me just tell you one more thing, that I have added a comment here which creates a database for you. uh, I'll I'll suggest you that please create this database in any other files like this that I have created here, because if you rerun this program, it will rewrite the database again and again. So just to avoid that, you can create here database. I hope you like this video and enjoy creating this project as much as I did, and thank you.